Here in Louisiana, every year we have these intensely hot summers. We know it's coming. We know our landscapes are going to have to deal with it. Finding plants that don't just tolerate the heat but love the heat, grow well and bloom beautifully over the summer, those are treasures for our Louisiana gardens. And this native plant of Texas is an ideal plant to plant. Now this is called the Texas star hibiscus. The Latin name is Hibiscus coccineus. Coccineus means red. You can see these beautiful intensely red star-shaped flowers giving this plant its name. There's also a white form, a mutation of this, that you can also find available, but it's not generally easy to find. Now this plant loves to grow in a sunny location. It tolerates damp, wet soils. So you can plant this in a regular flower bed, or you can plant it along a pond edge or in a low, boggy, wet area like a rain garden, and this plant is ideal for that. Get some height to it over the summer. Oftentimes reaches about 6 to 8 feet tall. So put it to the back of a bed or use it as a focal point, a tall focal point in your landscape. This plant blooms all summer long, usually coming to bloom around about May and continuing bloom until September, even into October. At that time, they go dormant in the fall. We cut them back to the ground, and in the spring, they come right back up again and grow. Now, this plant's a little bit undernourished. You want to fertilize. Notice how the leaves are a little bit lighter green. This is a good indication that the plant would need to be fertilized. So if you have any plants in your landscape that have a yellowish look, not that deep green color, feel free to fertilize in the summer. It's just fine. The Texas star hibiscus, look for it in your nurseries now. If you can find some, it's fine to plant them now. Keep them well watered and they'll take off and grow beautifully for you. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.